Psst, what if I told you AI could predict everything you're about to do? No, I'm not talking about your browser history. We all know that's embarrassing enough. I'm talking about an AI that knows your next move before you do. Hey there, tech enthusiasts and future robot overlords. Today we're diving into the wild world of AI behavior prediction. Because who needs free will when you have algorithms, am I right? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of what AI can actually do right now in terms of predicting human behavior. At the forefront of this field is machine learning, particularly deep learning models like GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, and BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. But what does that actually mean? These models analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and make predictions. For instance, 1. Predictive text and autocomplete. This uses recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and transformer models to predict the next word or phrase based on context. 2. Recommendation systems. Companies like Netflix and Amazon use collaborative filtering and content-based algorithms to predict your preferences. That's how they know you'll watch yet another true crime documentary at 2 a.m. 3. Predictive policing. Some law enforcement agencies use AI to predict potential crime hotspots based on historical data. But this raises serious ethical concerns about bias and profiling. Recent advancements in natural language processing, NLP, have led to models that can predict human responses in conversations with increasing accuracy. We're looking at you, ChatGPT. Now, let's talk about where the research is heading. The holy grail of behavior prediction is creating a model that can accurately simulate human decision-making processes. Current research focuses on several key areas. 1. Multimodal AI. This combines different types of data, text, images, audio, to create a more comprehensive understanding of human behavior. Imagine an AI that can predict your mood based not just on what you say, but how you say it and your facial expressions. 2. Reinforcement learning. This approach allows AI to learn from trial and error, similar to how humans learn. DeepMind's AlphaGo used this to beat world champions at the complex game of Go. 3. Causal AI. This aims to understand cause and effect relationships, not just correlations. Instead of just knowing you buy ice cream on hot days, it would understand that the heat causes the ice cream craving. However, we're still far from perfect prediction. The human brain processes about 11 million bits of information every second, but we're only consciously aware of about 50 bits. To predict behavior perfectly, AI would need to process all of that data, including subconscious processes we don't even understand ourselves. So, where are we now? The most advanced predictive models, like GPT-4, can achieve impressive results in specific domains. For example, they can predict human responses in text with about 70–80% accuracy in controlled settings. But real-world human behavior is far more complex and unpredictable. Current research at institutions like MIT, Stanford, and DeepMind is focusing on creating more robust and generalizable AI models that can handle the complexity and variability of human behavior. Some researchers even speculate that quantum computing could be the key to processing the enormous amounts of data needed for near-perfect prediction. But for now, true behavior prediction remains more science fiction than science fact. And maybe that's not such a bad thing. Now, before you start building your anti-AI bunker, let's consider the perks. 1. Never missing a bus again, because the AI knows you'll hit snooze exactly 7 times. 2. Perfect gift giving. Finally, no more pretending to like weird socks from Aunt Mildred. But let's be real, this level of prediction comes with some issues. And by issues, I mean existential crises. Imagine a world where 1. Surprise parties are impossible. Sorry, AI ruined it. Again. 2. Your AI assistant spoils every movie. Based on your viewing patterns, there's a 99.9% chance you'll cry at this scene. On a more serious note, perfect prediction raises huge ethical questions. Privacy, gone. Free will, questionable. Ability to lie about eating the last cookie? Impossible. We'd need to seriously consider the implications and put safeguards in place. Or just welcome our new AI overlords. Your choice. So what do you think? Are you ready for an AI that knows you better than you know yourself? Leave a comment below with your predictions, if the AI hasn't already done it for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay unpredictable, my friends. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Or don't. Keep the AI guessing.